Good morning. Today our activity is counting with boxes. In this activity, students will put the correct number of colorful pencils in each bucket according to the numbers written on it. Yes, Bakar, which number is this? 1. Very good. Yes, Furkan, which number is this? 2. Very good. Yes, Sujata, which number is this? 3. Very good. Good on it. Yes, Ayla, which number is this? 1. Very good. Yes, Mudassir, which number is this? 4. Very good. Sir, which number is this? Raman, which number is this? Kenaya, which number is this? Yes, Abdullah, which number is this? 4. Very good. Hadi, which number is this? Shara, which number is this? 1. Okay. Atasha, which number is this? Abdullah, which number is this? 2. Rafi, which number is this?